Good morning, Year 5, and welcome back to another maths lesson with me. So again, we have our flashback 4 questions for you on the screen now to complete. And remember, there is a bonus question too. So write the date in your book. It should be the 28th of the 1st, 21, and then complete these 5 questions in your books. So pause the video to do that now. Okay, let's have a look at the answers. So, will 865 divided by 5 have a remainder? No, it won't. And we know this because 865 is a multiple of 5 because it ends in 5. So it won't have anything left over or remaining. Question 2, multiply 27 by 15. The answer is 405, and you could have used column method to solve this problem. Question 3, a square has a perimeter of 24 centimetres. Work out the length of one side of the square. So, perimeter involves adding up all of the lengths of the shape, but the key word here is square, and we know that a square has the same length sides all the way round. So all we need to do is divide 24 by 4, and our answer will be 6 centimetres. Question 4, write the Roman numeral MCCL as an ordinary number. Our answer will be 1250. And our bonus question, what time is it and can you say it in another way? So the time is 6 minutes past 5 or 5:06. Our little hands on the 5 and our big hands in line with the 6. We can say 6 minutes past 5. Or we could say, but we don't tend to say, 54 minutes to 6. So pause the video, mark your answers in a different coloured pen to see how you got on. Okay, so we're now on to our lesson. And before we begin, could you please write the LO and the date in your maths book? So you should already have the date, which is the 28th of the 1st, 21. And the learning outcome is to play problem-solving games using division. So pause the video and do that now for me. Okay, so as I said, today you're going to be playing some problem-solving games. And like we do in class, I will introduce the problem or the game, and the rest of the lesson you can work independently on this. But first, you need a dice, your maths book, a ruler, and a pencil. And as I've said, that because I know some of you are working at home, you might not have a dice. So you can Google dice roller and use the Google one if you don't have a dice ready. So pause the video and get those things, and then we'll move on to our game. Okay, so today's game has 3 games. So we've got game 1, which is 3 squares, 4 squares, and 5 squares. So I'm going to show you an example of game 1, so you know what to do for the rest of the games. So each of you need to draw a bus stop method, and for game 1 you need 1 for your divider and 2 for your dividend. So once you've drawn your bus stop, you need to throw your dice, roll your dice 3 times to put a number in each of these, and you can put your numbers anywhere you like as long as you have 3. And then you need to complete your bus stop division and see if you can get close to the number 10. So once you've had a go at this and you think you've got all the numbers possible and you've been close to 10 or got 10, you can move on to game 2. So say I rolled 5, 6 and 5 on a dice, I'd put them here and complete my bus stop. So here is game 1, so you need 3 squares in your book. You need to roll your dice 3 times and try and get close to 10. So pause the video now to do game 1. Okay, so now moving on to game 2, you need to roll your dice 4 times to get 4 numbers in these squares and try and get close to 100. Okay, game 3, well done if you made it this far. So you need to roll your dice 5 times and try and get close to 1000. So good luck. Okay, and for those of you that finish early and fancy a challenge, here is the extension. So we have lots of different questions for you to have a go at to practice your division knowledge. So pause the video to have a go at the extension. Okay, well done Year 5 for all your hard work today. I hope you've enjoyed doing something a bit different using games and problem solving, and I'd love to see how you got on, so make sure you post your work on Class Dojo so I can see who got close to 10, 100 and 1000. Okay, have a lovely rest of your day, and I'll see you all soon for some more maths.